Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's Kenisha, the gardening mama and crew. Yes, we're here with you again, and today we are going to be making we're going to be making banana bread, guys. So come along. We have 4 ripe bananas, we have brown sugar, we have flour, 1 egg, half cup of melted butter, we have vanilla, baking soda, and salt. So let's get into it. Now we're going to be mashing the bananas. Mash the banana for me, Alba. Thank you. And we're going to beat 1 egg. Phoebe's gonna beat the egg for me. Thank you. Let me hold this. So now we're gonna add the sugar. Add the sugar. Then we're gonna add the egg. Now we're going to add the vanilla. Next, we're going to be adding the melted butter. Just pour it all in. Pour it in. Sprinkle, add the baking soda. Just give it a sprinkle over it. Just use the whole container. Yeah. That's okay. You can have it. Yeah. Now mix it in. Mix it in. Hold the bowl and mix it in. Now we're going to add the salt. Mix it in.
It's good, Mama.
It's good. All right. Wow. Next, we're going to be adding the flour. You want to add the flour? Okay, we can help. All right, let's do half first. Mix that in. Where's your spoon? Sit in.
Okay.
Let's add some more. Mix it in. It's all mixed in, and now we're just going to add it to the baking pan. And this is a bread pan that has already been greased. So we're just pouring the batter into the bread pan. What I'm doing now, guys, I'm just using the back of the spoon to just smooth the surface out. So it's ready, and this is what it looks like. Next, I am going to put it in a preheated oven at 350. It's already ready, and I'm going to bake it for 1 hour.
Are you going to put it in the oven?
Yes, I'm going to put it in the oven.